exploring a cool supermarket in North Tehran with fresh food and great prices. Check out these prices and some awesome finds. Don't forget to turn on subtitles and join me. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Ready to see how expensive everyday shopping has become in Iran? We just stepped into one of the most luxurious hypermarkets in North Tehran. Guess how much a pack of pizza cheese costs? 130,000 tamans, tilde $2.50. A 10 kilograms bag of Hashemi rice. A whopping 2,300,000 tamans, tilde $45. Lamb meat, 1,160,000 tamans per kilo, tilde $23. And half a kilo of tea. 575,000 tamans, tilde $11. You won't believe this. A simple 500 grams pack of pizza cheese costs 130,000 tamans, tilde $2.50. Is it gourmet or? Let's grab some milk. A 1 liter low-fat milk bottle. 21,600 tamans, tilde 45 cents. Still affordable. But for Howlin, just 500 grams of black tea. 575,000 tamans, tilde $11. That's over $20 per kilo. You better sip slowly. Branded milk lovers, this one's for you. Mihan 1 liter low-fat milk is 20,000 tamans, tilde 40 cents. Premium brand, local price. Time for breakfast cheese, a 515 grams pack of low-fat daily cheese. 61,000 tamans, tilde $1.20. More than just a simple breakfast. Time for cream cheese, a 350 grams pack of Kala Willy cream cheese. 98,000 tamans, tilde $1.90. Luxury breakfast or just a pricey spread. Time for full-fat yogurt, a 2.2 kilograms tub of Kala 7 full-fat yogurt. 186,000 tamans, $3.70, pricier than a dinner. A 1.5 L bottle of Kala 7 Duke, 58,000 tamans, tilde $1.10, pricier than soda. But the taste is unmatched. Fresh premium greenhouse strawberries, 1 kilogram, only 82,000 tamans, tilde $1.65. Heavenly sweet, fresh picked flavor, straight from the farm. A 450 grams bottle of Bijan Caesar dressing, 55,000 tamans, tilde $1.10. Turns your salad into a gourmet meal. Shilana tuna can, 180 grams, price, 85,000. 1 pack of machine laundry powder, weight, 500 grams, price, 35,000 tamans, tilde 70 cents.
Bazen ülkelerin